Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to view this program. The Iron Condor strategy is a great income strategy, but most people struggle with it, especially new traders, because they're not sure what to do when something goes wrong with the trade. They're not sure what strikes to pick. They're not sure what expiration to pick. And because of that, they just slap something on that they see somebody else do, and then they're at a loss for managing the trade because it's really not their trade and they don't understand it. In this program, I want to shed some light on what the Iron Condor trade is, why it's worth using it, and also give you some criteria for deciding what strikes, what expiration to put on, and why, and show you how to match your Iron Condor to today's market. If you're putting on an Iron Condor that worked 3 years ago when volatility was high, that's where people are struggling because they're using a trade that worked 3 years ago and now the conditions are different and it just doesn't work anymore. Or the trade's always in trouble. So now you just have to use a different width of the Iron Condor, perhaps different strikes, a different expiration, and you have to learn how to manage the trade. That's what we're going to cover here.